Have you ever wondered what life is like for a koala in the wild? Picture this, a creature of immense charm, nestled high up in the branches of a eucalyptus tree, basking in the golden Australian sun. This is the koala, an animal that has become an iconic symbol of the land down under. Koalas are not bears, as often mistaken, but marsupials, a group that includes kangaroos and wombats. They inhabit the eucalyptus forests of eastern Australia, spending most of their lives in the trees. These adorable animals have a unique lifestyle, one that is characterized by lots of sleep and a diet almost exclusively of eucalyptus leaves. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like a pretty relaxed life. But rest assured, the life of a koala isn't all naps and snacks. They face unique challenges in their natural habitat, some of which are threatening their very existence. Join us as we delve deeper into the life of these adorable creatures. Ever wondered what keeps these cuddly creatures energized for their treetop adventures? Well, the answer lies in Australia's native eucalyptus trees. Koalas are essentially herbivores, munching primarily on the leaves of these trees. They're actually quite selective, choosing only certain species from over 700 available. The eucalyptus leaves not only fill their bellies, but also hydrate them. Yes, these furry friends get most of their water intake from their food, a neat adaptation to their arboreal lifestyle. However, these leaves are low in nutrition and filled with fibers, leading koalas to have a relatively low metabolic rate. This explains their long sleeping hours, often up to 20 hours a day. But here's a fun fact. Baby koalas, or joeys, feed on something called pap. It's a special kind of feces produced by their mothers, which helps them develop the necessary gut bacteria to digest eucalyptus leaves. With a diet that makes them quite picky eaters, koalas certainly have a unique culinary preference. Imagine spending your day lounging on trees and munching on leaves. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But for koalas, this is just a typical day. Rising with the sun, they begin their day with a hearty breakfast of fresh eucalyptus leaves. This leafy meal provides them with the energy they need to navigate their treetop homes. Koalas are not just skilled climbers. They are virtuosos of verticality. With their sharp claws and powerful limbs, they scale the tallest of eucalyptus trees with grace and ease. But don't let their agility fool you. These creatures are fond of their beauty sleep, spending up to 20 hours a day snoozing in the forks of trees. When it comes to socializing, koalas are mostly solitary, but they do engage in occasional bouts of chit-chat, especially during the mating season. Despite their sleepy reputation, they lead lives filled with plenty of action and excitement. Life in the treetops might seem laid back, but it's full of adventure and challenges for our furry friends. Life isn't always easy for the koalas, despite their seemingly carefree lifestyle. In reality, these adorable marsupials face numerous challenges in the wild. The biggest of these is habitat destruction. As urban development expands, koalas are losing their homes and food sources at an alarming rate. In addition, the eucalyptus trees they rely on for sustenance are being cut down, leaving them with nowhere to live and nothing to eat. Climate change is another significant threat. Rising temperatures and prolonged droughts are making it harder for koalas to find the water they need to survive. Koalas are also at risk from predators like dingoes and large birds of prey, which can take advantage of their slow-moving nature. Lastly, disease is a serious concern, particularly chlamydia, which is rampant among koala populations and can lead to blindness, infertility, and even death. With their habitats under threat, it's more important than ever to understand and protect these unique creatures.